Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or add splash screen in Android Studio. So firstly, open your application. I have this application. Now we will add a splash screen in this application. So firstly, open this website techproadvice.blogspot.com and search splash screen. Then copy this first code and click on main activity.java. Now make enter underneath public class main activity. So make enter here and paste that code. This is the time for a splash timeout. 5000 means 5 seconds. You can increase or decrease. Now copy this code and paste underneath activity main. So click here before this two bracket and paste here. Now you will see some red lines. So press Alt plus Enter and import class. Select first one. Now copy this line and paste underneath activity main. Now create home activity Java class. So click here in res and right click on layout, new, and click on activity and select empty activity. So you need to right click on layout underneath res, new, hover cursor to activity, then click on empty activity. Now give the name same as I'm giving, home activity, and select your package name and select source language from drop down Java. If it's selected before already, so you don't need to do anything, just give the activity name like home activity, then click on finish. Now click on activity main XML, click on code and remove text view. Now copy and paste your image. I have this PNG file and you can download this PNG file from this website and paste on this drawable. So right click on drawable and click on paste select first one, then OK. Now remove this symbol and make enter. Now type background. So you will see Android semicolon background. So double click on it. Now type drawable. So you will see your PNG file name. So select here and enter closing symbol. And now remove this line. Now click on this run. So we will see. So as we can see, this S Plus screen is running properly. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to add S Plus screen in Android Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.